not far from Shepparton, but Numurkah, yes.
Lisa from Numurkah. How did you go at the Blooms
I had a wonderful time.
Painting Workshop?
I had, I've improved my skill set, which I'm very happy about.
Great.
Yes, so I feel like I've gained some confidence in where I'm going and what I want to do.
Great.
So yes, can't wait to do the next one.
And for somebody else coming into a Blooms Painting Workshop, 4 days, doing 2 beautiful paintings like this, you know, what could somebody expect, do you think?
Oh, I think someone would definitely get some benefit. Like, everybody's different because everybody wants something else out of a workshop. But for me, extra skills, good instructions, good knowledge. Instructor was just fabulous. She kept us on our toes, kept us set, you know, we had guidelines, but it was good.
And did you have ways to rescue and sort your painting out?
Oh,
Different
yes.
methods?
Yes,
Yeah.
there were some very good tricks on how to fix my big mistakes.
It's so beautiful. I love what you've done. Well, thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you do in the future, and thank you for coming, and you've just been a delight and a hoot.
Thanks for having me.
Pleasure, darling.